Yeah, we're still in the Forever 21. Yes, I understand the president's waiting in the motorcade outside. What do you want me to do? The first daughter's still trying on dresses for her winter formal thing. Yeah, copy that. Malia Obama, your father's waiting for you outside.
Doors unlocked, Agent Connors.
Okay. Could you please act like an adult?
Adult enough for you?
Listen, not this again, right? I am a 35-year-old Secret Service agent. You are a 14-year-old first daughter. This will never happen.
What are you talking about? I haven't had a crush on you in like 2 months. But clearly I'm still in your mind. Does your wife know?
Okay. Don't play dumb, all right? I don't think it was Bo the dog who left me that love letter, sent it in Unbreakable by Chloe Kardashian.
You noticed? Well, what can I say? Your repeated flirtations have been quite the muse for my adapted lyrics to Teenage Dream. And Glee. Run away, you'll be breaking down. You watch breaking down.
Okay. I wasn't flirting with you, all right? It was 2 a.m. and you were keeping up half of Air Force One with that stupid dance you choreographed in that Willow Smith song.
You said I whip my hair back and forth like an angel.
I said you shouldn't whip your hair back and forth at that angle. You were whipping John Mayer.
Well, you're the one who's going to be whipped when you escort me to my winter formal dance.
In a Secret Service capacity.
Oh, my hero! Now, when boyfriend comes on, I want you to make sure to dance all up on this. You gotta make Joe Biden's grandson jealous.
I'm not your boyfriend!
Oh, you hate me!
Leah, my job is to protect you.
You might as well just dove in front of me because I was just shot in the heart!
Listen, Malia, you're a nice girl. You're smart and you're athletic. I'm sure there's plenty of boys your age who would be interested in you.
Oh, they're also immature. I want a real man like you, Agent Connors. Someone who's got that sexy blonde scruff, 8 feet tall, chiseled, 7-pack abs.
Okay, I think you might be getting me confused with those drawings you do of me as a ripped center.
Yes, the 7 ones are jump.
Okay, Jesus. Oh, President Obama.
What's the holdup? I got this proper film on the floor.
God, you're such a dork, Dad. Actually, Agent Connors was just about to zip me up.
No, I wasn't. She's already zipped up. No zip. I don't need to zip her up. No zip.
Agent Connors, can I talk to you for a second?
Easy on him, Daddy. He's just a bad boy with sexy scruff. He doesn't know any better.
Malia's not my little girl. Those hormones. Oh boy. That's why I need you.
Sir?
She likes you. You're young. That beard looks terrific. And I'm just not as hip as you. I don't get the appeal of one direction.
Well, Mr. President, it's not much kid related. They're just just your
Shut up. I just need you to keep an eye on her, okay? Hey, somebody's missing out on some pretty hilarious business.
Okay, this has to stop.
I know. Even though you're married to that biatch, Nicole, I'd be an even bigger biatch if I asked you to leave your wife and leave your infant son Charlie for me. Plus, my loser dad likes you.
Thank you, Malia.
Can you introduce me to that super hot Agent Ramirez?
You mean that super gay Agent Ramirez?
Why